Level 5 tutor here at Sylvia Park campus. It is a 35-week course. We cover 7 subjects, ranging from what is hospitality in the modern world to what does ecotourism look like. We take students that are first in country, often first time away from home, and give them the confidence that they can do anything, anywhere. We've had some fantastic students. Here we have a couple of my students. You may have seen them. They have been here for a whole 8 weeks now, and they are rocking in our cafe. You may have, if you've experienced coffee, espresso beverage here this morning, you may have got it from one of my stars. Although actually sometimes having had some experience in hospitality overseas, a lot of them won't have had a European style or international hotel style experience, and that's what we're here for. We're here to give them a pathway. Almost all my students would like to do level 7. They come here without many skills in hospitality or management, and we take them and we try and nurture not just their educational performance, but their situational awareness, the way they interact with everybody, to give them the confidence and develop those skills for further education. Unfortunately, I was in this one. But it's the smiles from somebody who's terrified of getting in and talking to, and we're talking to people in English, which is obviously sometimes a 3rd or 4th language, to give them the confidence to be able to approach anybody and say, hey, how are you doing? Kia ora, welcome, is really so important in my industry. It's not just the hospitality, it is obviously education. They do actually have to do some learning. I've chosen this because it looks like they're enjoying it. It's not always, but this one is a good example. It's not just sitting at a text with me standing and talking to my class. Journey in education nowadays is an interactive, and it's so important that we actually give the students a reason why they're learning this, the reason why they're going forward, and make it so it's about their journeys too. So at level 5, a student will become aware of what industries or what parts of the industries that they might look for. And they develop, over the series of program, quite a good idea of how that would look like to a bank manager that they are, or a partner, that they are looking for the finance to do their operation. We have got, in the first weeks, we've developed an idea that some of my students just want to do hotels. Some of them want to go back to Nepal and open up their own street food style. We're not sure whether it's going to be a food truckish kind of thing, or maybe a more restaurant-y kind of thing, or just part of a big organisation. But that's their journey, and they'll develop skills and research skills, practical skills, to be able to develop that idea, nurture that seed into something big. We don't try and limit it. We also, as I say, it's not just in the classroom. We take our students throughout Auckland and show them what hospitality and hotel management. We take them to not just hotels. I'm lucky enough that in the 8 weeks, 9 weeks that I've had my new students, we have got students that are now working at JW Marriott, Hilton, a few at SkyCity, and some fast food places, because while studying and working, balancing the most important thing, they're all on student visas, so 40 hours is not appropriate, 20 hours. 24-hour operations like Burger King and McDonald's have their place. Oh, sorry. that was a picture of my class. So most of them develop a good understanding and a structure of all the aspects needed to work in hospitality throughout the world. Level 5 was a 35-week program, which is, although classroom-based, we do have an awful lot of practical we try and bring in, although none of the assessments are practically based. At level 6, and almost all my students want to do level 6, we have a 40-week program delivered over 45 weeks, and some of these are 20 weeks internship. So they have, they're writing about their experience actually in hotels, in restaurants. The level 6 program has a hospitality or front of house stream and also has a cookery stream. So we combine the experiences from our cookery students and cookery staff with the level 5 hospitality staff, because you can't sell food unless you know what's in it, and you can't know what's in it or prepare it without understanding the front of house implications of that. At level 7, it's more about management, and we don't provide level 7 at the moment, so I'm not going to tell you that. Thank you.